wanted to start being an F1 driver because I started watching F1 with my dad. Me and him started to enjoy it, and then I was like, hey, I want to do that. I love it. It's what I want to do when I grow up, F1. It's the goal.
At UNISUS, we take great pride being innovators in education. We create the Scholar Athlete program really to create a balance. The program was really in response to a lot of parents who were really torn between nurturing their children to pursue something that they're really passionate about, and at the same time knowing that academics is very important to their future. So here, the Scholar Athlete program not only focuses on the academics or the athletics, but really producing or creating an amazing human being.
The why is because there isn't such a thing. If you don't know somebody at the racetrack and you think, I would like my young boy or girl to become a racing driver, that pattern is just not laid down. We want to be the place where you drop your son or daughter off if their dream is to be a racing driver.
Well, we understand that achieving high-level performance in motorsports is a very, very unique talent. And we know that our program is structured in a way to help our Scholar Athletes get there. The Scholar Athlete program takes a student or an athlete who's already involved in this sport and really want to take this to a global level, to an international level.
You develop the full suite of skills that is required to become an elite racing driver. That is a suite of skills that will take you many, many places in life. In order to be a great racing driver, you have to be an athlete, you have to be a scholar, you have to be a business person, you have to be a philosopher to a degree, a negotiator to a degree, a teammate to a degree, a leader to a degree.
Everything from design to management to marketing to all the professions that come with a race team.
And in the end of the day, motorsports is a much, much bigger business than Formula One, NASCAR, and Le Mans. As the kids get better and better and better, our regional racing team travels throughout all of Canada, throughout North America, and in fact throughout the world. Our team is extraordinarily successful. We've won all the big championships that we've had except for one, and we're working on that one this winter. We're sensitive to the whole needs of your child. We're not just trying to build racing drivers. We think of racing as a way to build great people.
So in addition to the academics and the athletics, life here on campus is pretty fun. We have a state-of-the-art boarding house, very safe. We have a schedule that allows our students to study during the morning and really focus on their activity, their athletic endeavors in the afternoon. You have students from all over the world. On top of the BC diploma, we provide students an opportunity to graduate with an IB diploma. It's a program that's kind of the gold standard in terms of university admissions. Many of our graduates get admitted to universities all over the world. So the Scholar Athlete program is anchored upon a very, very solid academic program.
I just completed a race and I got first. The Motorsports Academy is helping me with my goals because it is boosting me into something better.